Yeah. Can you feel it? I used to feel so devastated. At times I thought we never make it. But now we on our way to greatness. And all that ever took was patience. I used to feel so devastated. At times I thought we never make it. But now we on our way to greatness. And all that ever took was patience. Okay, just getting better each day. Stacking that to the cheesecake. Look up to the Lord we pray. Trying to be my best each day. Until I'm late the rest of we late. Yeah, to the time being we lit. Hoping I don't let it get all of my head. I don't need the money just to say that I'm rich. Couple little honeys when they get in my bed. But they used to run for me when I had nothing. Now they wanna fuck cause they see me stunting. Nigga came up off the hustling. Living in the lap of lux and I'm feeling like the man. If you ain't on my chucks then you wouldn't understand. On me, bodies rubber bands. On me, make her wanna dance. For me, probably leave a man. For me, standing in the stands, goddamn. She used the front way back, now she just a fan. Yeah. I used to feel so devastated. At times I thought we never make it. Now we on our way to greatness. And all I ever took was patience. I used to feel so devastated. At times I thought we never make it. But now we on our way to greatness. And all that ever took was patience. I put my pain in the cadence, turn my brain up a wavelength. Now we flowing and sailing, so just go with the feeling. Baby, soak up the vibe, let's throw some dope up, get high. We gon' blow smoke in the sky till we can open our eyes. I put my pain in the cadence, turn my brain up a wavelength. Now we flowing and sailing, so just go with the feeling. Baby, soak up the vibe, let's throw some dope up, get high. We gon' blow smoke in the sky till we can open our eyes. Yeah. Skirt. I used to feel so devastated. At times I thought we never make it. Now we on our way to greatness. And all I ever took was patience. I used to feel so devastated. At times I thought we never make it. But now we on our way to greatness. And all that ever took was patience. I used to feel so. At times I thought we. But now we on our way. And all I ever took was patience.
Hey traders, welcome to episode 476 of the show. We're getting started a little early. Alright. So, why not, man? Who cares? It's Friday. Sun's out. It's beautiful out there. It's like 80 degrees. And it was just raining all day yesterday. It was awful, man. So, happy over here. So, you know, Bitcoin, last thing we established in the end of the day stream yesterday. I missed the night stream last night because I watched, you know, went to go see the opening or premiere of like Endgame Avengers and all that. So my apologies, but here I am. And really, okay, let me turn off the moving average real quick. You can't really see, or just the 20 anyway. All right, so I was really thinking about this. I think I was just rushing last night when I was recharting, but like these wicks down here, they do make a lot of sense for where we wicked, right? I mean, they touch perfectly, like it's like perfect, but like I'm not really sure if that is where we would anchor, because we kept going higher before selling off, and I was thinking maybe this was the proper area to wick because this was still part of the that initial impulse. But it does make sense now, right? And I guess like since we wicked, we could adjust now. And it does make a lot of sense.
By the time I get to finally rule out this SEC contempt case, Tesla might not even be an active company. Hey, where's that moon boy?
Oh my god, dude, that moon boy! Sorry. Where is that moon boy? I don't know. I mean, I know Judge Allison Nathan sent me a drunk text last night. And I know you and that moon boy had something going on, so I really don't know. I don't know what to tell you. Okay. Things are getting pretty serious.
Is that a joint?
But Judge Allison Nathan, hey, I know it's going to be a lot easier probably for you to get some sort of prosecution going on with Elon if his price keeps tanking like this. All those Tesla fanboys might jump ship to your side, and that would be hilarious. I, for one, would get popcorn for that. Okay, dude? Or, Your Honor. Sorry. Hey, Mr. Joy, man. Thank you for the $1 super chat, dude. Thank you, man. Gang, dude. Gang. Alright, so that was what was kind of irking me about this channel. But now the fact that we have the wick, it would have just been like this. We would have had it like this, and we'd have been freaked out. And then it wicked down. And then as you can see, we came back up, and now we're bouncing off that trend line, right? But then you just be like, okay, we're going to make our adjustments. Just so we made our adjustments here. This happened, so we adjust. And here you have it. Alright, so consolidation, not much consolidation going on right now. Okay, that is not much pattern development. That's nothing. Okay, so we kind of expect some sort of a pullback with the way we're consolidating. I mean, daily bearish divergence on the RSI, that wasn't proper. And really just want to look at something real quick, and I can't remember if this was it. No, let's go to daily. Maybe that was it. Yeah, daily. All right, so was also just doing that whole thinking out loud thing to myself, I guess. You do that sometimes, but really trying to make sense of the upsloping upsloping structure we're in the channel.
I am a beautiful female, Mitch, and don't you forget it.
Allison, Judge Allison. Can I call you Judge? Wait, that's too formal, okay? If we're gonna have a relationship, I can't be calling you Judge all the time, alright? But I will admit, I am a gavel. What is it? What did Jules Santana call it? A gavel? Oh, a gavel banger. I am a gavel banger. Okay. I do fancy those that are judges. Alright, like a cleat chaser, but a gavel banger. The new term. Thank you. You are beautiful. Thanks for the 50. Wow, Judge Allison Nathan being the sugar mama tonight. Oh, yeah. Anyway, okay, so does that make sense what I'm talking about here on the Tether pair? All right, weirdly, so weirdly on this pair, today on Bittrex, we ran up all the way to 5,500 before selling off to 5,300. Okay, and again, this is Tether, right? So $5,300 is what we are on Bitcoin. But on to the US dollar itself, we're at $5,113. So huge differentiation of price, right? And so that makes us think more and more that yesterday maybe had something to do with Tether, since it's all messed up now. Okay, these prices were pretty similar before all this news broke on Bitfinex yesterday, which is pretty staggering and definitely probably set crypto back a little bit. I mean, just the fact that you have exchanges so large like Bitfinex that are doing things like this that are questionable when it comes to scruples. Okay, man, not good for the overall market. All right, these things can definitely hurt it. But, you know, here we are. Bitcoin, we're just looking at this chart. Daily time scale since we're here. Upsloping consolidation, so you expect a pullback. You know, impulse up, right? You'd sell off. You'd hit a 50%, 382, maybe run down to 4,600. Who cares, man? It's really not that big a deal, man. If you think about it, if we're uptrending, if this is the channel, then we could be above 4,700, 4,730 area. It's moving target, so it's hard to say the exact number. But we could stay above this upsloping support and keep on marching, and everything would be fine, man, okay? So I was talking to Larley. Larley thinks there's some sort of cup with handle going on, potentially, right? Where I think he'd had the tool where this was the cup, and we're looking for the handle now. And we have not really yet gotten it. And I know we were talking about the square up way up here at like 6,300, almost 6,400. And he also brought that up too, so that made me feel better about it, right? That square up price. And so that could be a reason why we could break through 6,000, if only to just hit that square up price around, again, 6,400. Okay, we'll just say 6,420.
Is that a joint?
Round up to Elon. Okay. So again, we have not yet hit that major overhead resistance, which is on this chart at 5746 to 5800. Okay, that is where you would expect to hit. There's just not really any resistance until there, and that's like why it makes you scratch your head. But again, if you go too high too fast and then you upslope your consolidation, it doesn't give people the opportunity to accumulate, so therefore you would create demand by selling off after demand dries up with this type of price action. We sell off at the 50% retrace, maybe people accumulate around this area, and then we run again.
Gavel banging is cool and homage, but I prefer my authority figures to carry guns.
Wait, what? Oh, sorry. Oh my God, is music too loud? See, gavel banging is cool and all. Baton banger, oh my goodness. Do I need a baton? Or do I need a gun, man? What do we just double fisted, man? Okay, baton in one hand, gun in the other. We'll be alright, dude, alright? Maybe think about Baton Rouge. Okay, not baton. So, but hey, we can do Baton Rouge bangers too, man. I'm trying to think, is that, oh no, I'm sorry, it's going to be in Tuscaloosa this year. Sorry, LSU. Sorry, dude. You're coming to Bryant Denny. We made you look bad down there in Death Valley last year, but that's okay. We'll see in T-Town. Anyway, so you get what I'm saying, right? You're just in between the heart line and the 75. It's brilliant. It's beautiful, isn't it? How it's all lining up here. And that's why look, man, that's why we choose our anchor points. You can have candle closes or wicks. It all depends on what makes the most sense. And that's why we have our 25, 50, and 75 within the 100% and 0%, right, of the equidistant channel. So you can see, look, when you have it like that, it's perfect. 75 resistance, heartline resistance, 25 resistance, heartline support, 75 resistance. It's beautiful. Okay, so we'll leave it like that. Again, on this asset that we haven't really sold off, there's bearish divergence, and there's even more negative momentum on higher prices. So this thing has, I don't really know, man. It's like Tether, US dollar, like which one? Which one are you looking at, chat? Okay, very interesting. Okay, anyway, so I was thinking about doing a video on Ethereum today, but I don't know, man. Activision Blizzard, I've been talking about it, well, over a week. Before, you know, I took my position a week ago, but it's just like, I don't know. Oh, it's so perfect, dude. So, you know, with Activision, we broke out today. That's why I really wanted to do it, because it's just like, okay, the right shoulder, it kept going up. We're up over $4 from entry from that limit buy. So, bearish crab pattern. 8 coinciding variables screaming go short, go short, go short, and it happened. Look, impulse down, first target hit, 50% hit, then that's when we rallied, and that's when we hit a 1618 from B to C, right here, B to C. All right, so higher high on price in this next peak. We had crazy bearish divergence, projected bearish divergence, turned into real bearish divergence, and then we dumped again, and this is when we've hit the second target of the crab pattern. Just remember, it's not going to happen overnight where you hit all your targets. Sometimes it does. But remember, we started February 23rd and ended April 10th, right? that pattern is not going to just hit it again. Like once it dumped, it hit the first target like that, just like XRP. Once we hit target on entry, it hit the 382 like nothing, like in the same day. But that second target, if it's swing trading, it's going to take a minute because you retrace. Sometimes XRP, its instance, it never finished retracing. It just kept going and going and going. Right, so bearish. Well, the trade, it hit one target. You don't always hit your second, third targets, but here we are, man. Here we are bouncing off that 618 pretty nicely with Bitcoin, I'm sure. All right, so you could be setting up for lower prices if profit taking. I mean, look, you've taken most of your profit here, so there's one more target, and that's 139. Don't know if we'll get there. We're now below the 200 moving average on the 4. That's not good. You're below all 3 moving averages, okay? So I don't know, man. It's really not that crazy. This one was like the canary in the coal mine. This one was the shepherd of this market, I believe, for the top. It projected the top better than Bitcoin did. Okay, that's what's crazy about this one. All right, man. Let's keep it going. We'll see if we can keep on dumping, but it's all on Bitcoin. You hope Bitcoin doesn't dump anymore. You hope we just keep running and running and running to the upside, but again, impulse up, upsloping, consolidation. Where do people with a lot of money, where do they accumulate? They can't accumulate, dude. So they will wait. They will wait for the market to create demand by having a big sell-off, okay? Beautiful, man, beautiful. All right, is that clear? I mean, enough. That's as clean as I can make it. Like, dude, crab, wedge, Fibonacci, and targets. What else is there? Okay, not much else. Oh, what's up, Pink, dude? And, before we look at Ripple, I'm gonna keep people on the edge of their seats here. Let's look some chat. What's up, MK, man? 9ball, Zoro, Tetra Dragon, Ojai Punk, Presto Crypto, hello, dude. Hey, Tomcat. Yeah, we'll look at Aunt Jemima coin, dude, right? MK, it's your favorite Aunt Jemima coin? What's up, Conductor, man? Choo Choo. Dude, it's Johnny, man. Johnny, I'm going to find a boat somewhere. I'm going to find the ocean, and I'm just going to literally sail to Iceland, man. Okay, if I make it, we can hang out. If I don't, send a raven. Let everyone know I died on the way to Iceland. Okay. Hey, Jeremy Ragsdale, man. Oh my god, dude. I talked to Jeremy once. So here's the thing. All right. So on Twitch, if you know anything about Twitch, as soon as you become affiliate partner, you can get subscribers, right? Someone can subscribe to a channel for $5 a month, right? And that shows support to the streamer and all that. Holy crap, dude. Monkey ass.
TA and fundamentals suddenly lining up bearishly.
Yeah.
We are so screwed, people. Maybe we get lucky and make Mitch chug.
Dude, you have to get real lucky, man. I think it's only like a 7-8% chance now on that one. So it got cut in half, kind of. Yeah. But I mean, dude, again, it's like, dude, when you hit, I just know for a fact how it can be like busted. It can be like broken. That thing can go like, we've done it where it's been like 2 in a row before. 10% chance of happening, and it's like back-to-back chugs. So I don't know, man. We'll see how it goes. But dude, Negative Nancy, thanks for the 3333. I can't believe you, dude. You just don't understand Negative Nancy. You don't understand Tesla. Okay, you just don't get it, man. And no one else does either. We're talking like people with a lot of money still don't understand Tesla, but that's their issue. That's your issue. Okay, Tesla is gonna be the future of the world, man. You know why it doesn't need to make money? Because it's gonna literally become money. Okay, dude. It's like trying to explain Tesla's revenue. It's like trying to explain some crypto sometimes, right, man? It's just, if it's that, or trying to explain Tether. Or explain how Tether is somehow not gonna be not gonna crash one day, right? Thanks, Negative Nancy, man. Or I guess Judge Allison Nancy. Welcome. You must know Judge Allison Nathan. All right. Your new title, Judge from Negative. All right. So Jimmy Ragsdale. Oh yeah, I was talking to Jimmy Ragsdale, and it's like On Twitch, you can do that, right? Where someone subs to you for $5 a month, $10, or $24.99 a month, right? It's like tier 1, 2, or 3 subs. So that's like an amenity Twitch offers, which is really cool, even though it sucks they take 50% of it. On YouTube, they now have started offering that. But at first, it was like you had to have 100,000 subs on your YouTube page to be like able to utilize that amenity. But now, of course, they've I think as of like a few months ago, they've turned it down to where it only requires 30,000 subs now on YouTube. So Alex Cobb's getting close to his mark for that. But dude, we're way off 30,000 subs. So one day when that happens, Jeremy Ragsdale, I'm going to pay him to make a new Jesus chime for when we get, they're called members here, not subs. So like members or sponsor. It was sponsors and then they changed it in beta to members. But one day, Jeremy, man, one day. Can't wait till that day. Hey, Bradford, dude. Adrian A. Get a shout out, of course. Adrian, shout out to Adrian A. Kangs, man. What's up, Dan Crowell? Hey, Christian. Who is emotional or panicking now? Not me, man. Well, I'm pretty euphoric about Activision, but, you know, still waiting for Bitcoin to do stuff, man. Okay. It's just, there's a lot of like, look, there was so much time. There was like 2.5 months where it made so much sense for long positions and all this stuff. But right now it's kind of like, dude, we've seen it time and time again now where we get to these points and we never see them again, right? Where we make our big moves up, everything starts retracing, selling off violently, like ADA, Tron, all these other assets are selling off from their peaks. EOS, right? Even Monero like ran up. They all run up, and then let's just say like April or May of last year, it's like, will they keep running? And then Bitcoin dumps, and then we sell off for like 6 to 8 months. And that's it, man, right? So it's like this could be it for a while for altcoins if Bitcoin doesn't want to play ball. Straight up, man. So that's the thing. Those are the things we don't know. Like we know when we're setting up for higher prices soon because we've been selling off incessantly for such a long time. Our swing trades, our momentum is shifting. Whew, negative Nathan, oh my God.
Will Tesla money be as shortable as the stock? Tesla's money would be the only thing I would sell in favor of holding Tether.
Oh my God, man. Will Tesla be as shortable as the stock? What? Do you mean Tether? Hold on, what? But that's my mind. Will Tesla money be as shortable as the stock? I think you holding the money is literally shorting, right? Because it's so bad. Tesla's money would be the only thing you would sell in favor of holding Tether. Yeah, man. Well, the beauty is like you can hold Tether and short Tesla and get the best of both crazy worlds, right? Oh, sorry. Excuse me. Negative Nathan. We love you, Negative Nathan. Allison Nathan Judge. Gallowbangers, baby. All right, so as we look at chat. Ooh, nice spring to the upside. Wow, we went one more time, didn't we? Hey, the bullish divergence finally showed up, didn't it? That divergence showed up. This was probably when I was watching Avengers. This is what happens, man. You take one night off and you just miss stuff. Like, all right, so there you go. We diverged. Low, lower, low. Nice. Very nice. What pattern is this, chat? What reversal pattern is this? 2 candle pattern. What is that? You should know. I mean, we've done trivia on this probably for the 3rd, 5th time now, 6th time. What is this pattern, chat? Let me know what you think. Shout it from the mountaintops. What's up, Shane Overton? What's up, Derek? Yeah, we're gonna after XRP, we're gonna look at Tesla. That's the next one on the list. Okay. How am I doing? I'm doing well. Ans, how are you doing? What's up, JP? K-Puffs in South Carolina. Heck yeah, man. No hail. Good. What's up, Hainsey? Jurgen? Justin Ramos? Yeah, we'll put ADA on the list. We'll get it after Aunt Jemima coin. Oh, excuse me. Dude, Hink, what's up, man? Hink, I bet you got your beer, dude. It's Friday, man. I know you, man. Why do I not stream on both Twitch and YouTube, Diogo? Because there's an application called Restream that I've been using for literally the entirety of my streaming career, and it recently came out with an update, and the update broke everything to where, like, when I use their servers, their server to stream, my screen melts, my quality gets devastated, and so when I just stream exclusively on YouTube, no quality issues using their servers. It's perfect. It's fine. I just can't sacrifice the quality of stream to platform on multiple, different platforms, whatever. Okay, so that is why, man. I was streaming on Twitch forever, dude, but really was never picking up traction on it. So, and now we have Super Chat here, so that's the equivalent of bits, and I've made it actually. If you tip me Super Chat, it's like you're tipping me bits. So, whatever, man. I'll tell you, Sanford, we'll look at Tesla in a second. I just want to see what people have to say. Dude, is no one answering? Are y'all serious? Do y'all want me to go on strike and not do any more analysis till people start really answering this? That is not a Harambe. It is not technically a Harambe at all, actually. Come on, man. Canatomo answered yesterday and got it right, or whenever we did the last time we asked about it and quizzed y'all. It's not the reverse layup, dude, okay? We're not Larry Bird. Else Nathan to Elon Musk slam dunk for a Tesla destruction, okay? A linear log scale I'll use when we're zooming out when there's an extreme amount of disparity in price and time, okay? That's when log is the best because it uses percentage change, not price change. It is not the Pepe reversal, no. Dude. Nope. Come on, man. I feel so bad when y'all can't answer this. No, it's not a tweezer. I mean, kind of, but not really. No. Don Jones, how about you? That's wrong. Even if it was that, it'd be called dark cloud cover, not dark sky clouds. It is the inverse of the dark cloud cover reversal, Don Jones. So if you can figure that out, maybe that's a good enough of a hint, dude. No trader fam. It is not rising something.
I am not amused.
It is the piercing line. The piercing line. Should I just pull up another example of it, dude? I tried, man. Alice and Nathan, I tried. How do you get your lawyers to do things? Okay. Hey, Modest Mouse. What's up, dude? Kanks. Do I not? Where's the example? Where's my example of it? Do I have it in another thing? Oh, here it is. Yeah, dude. Piercing line. Simple, man. It's just like you have one red candle, and then the next day the next candle you open lower than your previous candle. We opened lower somehow. It's crypto, I know, but we opened lower. Did whatever we had to do down here, but when we opened lower, we ran and pierced through over 50% of the previous candle and closed. You must pierce 50% or more. Bulkowski says 65% makes it the strongest reversal. This was over 65% pierced through the previous candle. That is a reversal, and we have the piercing line reversal pattern with bullish divergence on both oscillators in a support zone, coinciding variables. And here you go. Run to the upside, breaking above the 20 moving average, breaking above the critical scrub out zone, but not out of the woods yet. Okay. Not out of the woods. Okay. You got to break 30.939 cents, and then you got to get back up here, man. You got to get above 33.116 cents, man. Okay. You got to make higher highs, higher lows, not this lower lows crap. Okay. But cool, man. Hopefully y'all got something out of that. So I hope to God you did, because no one answered it right. So if you didn't get something out of it, get wrecked, dude. Okay. No. Yeah, Trader Fam. A little late, dude. Okay. Everyone just a little late on that, man. All right. It's like everyone's answering after we already talked about it. The heck? Oh, was every YouTuber wrong over the last month? I don't know. Our analysis was we were in price contraction phase, and that's it, man. I don't think we were wrong. Actually, I think we were more right than anybody, just because of the fact that we had a trade set up that played out. We got a target, and that was it, man. A footer, man.
Is that a joint?
Mitch uses his tip and Patreon money to fund Bitfinex's Tether float. In exchange, he gets top secret access to Illuminati pump and dumps.
Psh, psh. You're part of the Illuminati, Mitch Futter, dude. What you talking about, man? Well, I guess that makes sense, dude. Thanks for the exposing me, dude. I've been exposed, okay? It's all a ruse, man. It's me, me and the Bogdanovs and the off-on faces, the Goff-on faces. We are propping up Bitfinex Tether right now, okay? It is our funds and capital, so you're welcome. You're welcome. Oh my God. Holy crap. Detention for us all, Adam Anderson, yes. And yeah, Mitch Futter will be your teacher, okay? No talking, no cell phones, just plain 4 hours of boredom, okay? No, you're coming in for Saturday school, Adam Anderson, dude. I'm great, man.
Pop quiz tip $25. Hey Mitch, I've got a question for you. What's this called? Eggplant.
Eggplant, what is it called? I'm sorry, the TTS has ruined things. You should have done a half eggplant. Or the plant of eggs. It could also be something quite sexual. I think we're all adults in here. We know what an eggplant could represent via emoji. Alright, so if you ever receive an eggplant, this is for the older folks in here. If you ever receive an eggplant via text message or email, that means somebody's ready to get down. To get down to, pull a grandma's boy and feel so good, man. Alright? So just keep this in mind, pop quiz. Was I right, though? I mean, that's the question. Did I answer correctly, accurately? Was it eggplant? Or was it piercing line? Or what was it? What was it someone said? Cloud cover, darkness. Okay, man. Gangs. Thanks, pop quiz, man. Holy crap, dude. You've been V-chained, dude. Yeah, you've been V-chained. Hey, what's up, Frontline Patriot, dude? Ridiculous. Laughing. Welcome. But again, dude, I mean, like, who cares, dude? Like, traders market, people like in on this. If you invested in this, you didn't make any money while the stock market rallied to all-time highs. Okay. So what's a better investment, Ripple or the stock market, the overall stock market? No one's going to argue. And so it's like, if you're not in the stock market, or, and now I'm not saying like it's the best time to be getting in on the stock market because we're hitting all-time highs now, but like, if someone is in XRP but they're not in the total stock market, they're doing something wrong, probably in terms of investing. Okay. I'm just saying. The TA's gone to S because of Tether. I don't know, man. Daily bearish divergence on the RSI for Bitcoin yielded us a $500 drop. So, yeah, it is a conspiracy, man. The Mitch Tether conspiracy. Hey, dude, what's up, Low Stir, dude? How you doing, man? And thanks for the 280 people tuned in right now. Yeah, if you're enjoying the live stream, please hit the like button, that bell, that sub. If you're enjoying me get exposed as the Bitfinex proper upper of Tether, do it, man. Thank y'all. I mean, it's Friday, man. Is anyone not happy? Activision broke out. Tesla's screwed. Probably. Dude, Tesla, man. This was bad. Very, very bad.
Is that a joint?
Can we just agree that the news simply caused a move that was already likely? I get so tired of people overreacting to a simple move or correction. And have a good weekend, Mitch. Cheers.
Thanks, Hink, man. Really appreciate that a lot. And again, the move was already likely because of the divergence on the daily time scale, looking back, right? But we were looking forward too, because the day before the dump happened, the stream the day before. We pointed it out. Divergence. There it is. Okay. You were making higher highs on price and you had negative momentum on the daily time scale. What do you want? I mean, that's like improper. And impulse up, upsloping consolidation. Eventually demand will dry up and you'll dump $500 or more sometimes. So, and here we go. Tesla Connect.
Is that a joint?
This was it, man. Is that a joint? Much lower than is that a joint. Okay, the abandoned baby joint. They should make a weed strand called the abandoned baby. Elon's abandoned baby. Bedman boy, you hear that, dude? We should write this down, dude, and make that real. Okay, we should talk to some random large dispensary and talk about the abandoned baby on Tesla. That was because of the Joe Rogan podcast. And that's it, dude. But here we are, man. The area we talked about yesterday being so hypercritical, we had to hold, man. It's a support you've held since March of 2017. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You were like 4-ish, and it's over, man. You're out. You broke out. Very bad, man. Very bad. Holding support back from August of 2016. Yes, lowest prices we've seen since 2016. There's a lot of chop here, tons of it. So to say where we really would bottom, I mean, that's going to be tougher because of all this chop. But you would expect, man, like there are supports way down here. Okay, what we can do, we're probably looking for the 786 soon. And all we do is just fib from the previous swing low.
TGIF, thanks Mitch.
To high. Dude, frontline picture, man. That's for $10, man. TGIF, dude. I'm sorry. I don't think there probably is a ticker for that. You know what? We'll probably analyze TGIF just for the memes. There is, of course. It's called 1933 Industries. TGIF. Whoa, dude. That actually looks pretty lit, dude. Wow, man. Okay, we're going to look at TGIF next, okay? It's on the Canadian Stock Exchange. Also OTC, the New York Stock Exchange. Well, whatever. Okay, so from your major low to high, the 786, $222.71. Your 886 is 201.82. That would make a lot of sense at the 886, right? But there's not really, I mean, besides all these choppy areas, there's not really formal support until 178 maybe. Look, support. Dude, breaking that is really, really bad. Okay. Again, we are at the lowest prices we've seen since 2016. Earlier, it was 2017, right? Now it's 2016. We lost a year, man. We lost a year. So, the wedge, you're out of it, man. You're out. And one could argue and just say, all right, dude, if that was it, maybe the market's not interpreting it as a wedge. Maybe it's being interpreted as some sort of a just channel now, right? There you go. Simple enough. You just make your adjustments when things become invalid. Perfect.
Is that a joint?
Volatility rules. Got stopped out big time on Heineken, by the way. Just goes to show, even perfect TA doesn't always pan out. Have a look at that /BNB against BTC if you haven't already. Just got home. Have a beer. It is King's Day here in NL and we are kings.
Problem is I only have 2 beers and
I do more to put out this dumpster fire that is my stock, but I'm too busy putting out actual fires to my spontaneously combusting Model 3s, and dealing with lawsuits from family members killed by my self-driving system.
What about the flamethrower? You didn't even talk about your flamethrower. We're talking about fire here, dude.
Just put a $1,000 bet on GTX at a price of 0.025 cents. People freaking panic sell due to Digitex being delayed. Was originally going to buy a 10 cents good stream BTW.
Dude, thank you. Thank you, Francisco, for the $4.30.
Is that a joint?
Of Ethereum, the cryptocurrency contribution, dude. We will look at Digitex. Alright. But, But we need to look at other things first. Make sure I got this right. I mean, we're talking about Heineken as in like HINKF, right? Make sure I'm not crazy here. But dude, Elon Musk, man. Yeah, that's I'm glad to hear that you're at least admitting your problems, Elon. Okay? That's a real big deal you did. So like at least you need to tweet that now, okay? If you tweet that, you're good. I don't think enough people watch this show for this to break, but Elon, man, you just got to go with God and you got to tweet that, all right? Just like you tweeted about the SEC down here, okay, man? Kangs, what's up with my lighting? It's like I'm at a strobe lighting show or something, dude. No, it's Heine. Okay, Heine. But there is another one. I don't know. That's so weird. Different tickers. Okay, got you, man. That makes sense. Touch my Heine, dude. Okay, there we go. Beautiful. All right, so there's TGIF. There's Heineken. Adrian, hey, man.
Mitch, is Endgame worth seeing? Also, IRBT if you get time later. Thanks.
Adrian, man, thanks for the 11 euros, man. Yeah, we'll look at it, dude, for sure. Sorry, I'm making sure I got my list. Okay. Accurate. Okay, so first off, TGIF. TGIF, right? Lower low, double bottom, right? Clearly can see that. Guess what? From your major high to low. Is that a candle close or a wick? There's a wick there. You can barely see the wick. It's there. All right, so from wick to wick, 23% retrace. So we now know this is probably a swing low. Okay. Also, what can we do? Let's fib from the low to high to see how low we went. Look at that. 88.6% retrace. A deep A retrace. Harmonic retrace levels, right? That is where reversals happen. After huge impulses, deep retraces like that, man, got a real good shot. So if we have a double bottom at an 886 retrace, okay, this is the top right here. The top of it. So we got to break that. But dude, we know the golden zone in this situation on TGIF. 1933 Industries, but thank God it's Friday for Frontline Patriot. We're paying homage to the Friday by looking at TGIF. Dude, I'm sorry. The golden zone is between 75 cents and $1.03. We can eventually break to the upside. Dude, we've got some serious stuff going on here, man. All right? I mean, it's almost just like this. False premature breakout, right? 1 and 2 and 3, and then here it was, and we sold off. Dude, this reminds me a little bit of Activision. Somewhat. Just a little bit. Not really, but kind of. Just a little bit. What's going on? Alright, man. So, dude, down sloping consolidation after a huge impulse down. But the impulse before was huge, and now we're 88% retrace, and now we're rallying, and we're trying to break down sloping structure. If we can do that, we can yield ourselves in the golden zone. Alright, TGIF. Not bad, dude. Not bad at all. You ever been on a show where they actually analyze TGIF? Okay, this is your first. Welcome. Okay, harmonic-y, right? Harmonic-y stuff, but if it was X, A, B, C, D, you're already at, you've exceeded the retrace levels, I believe. I think this was too shallow of a retrace anyway, so double bottom, but targets hit already, gapped up. The trend is your friend, extremely, right, bullish. Since inception, so we know we're overall very, very bullish here, okay? Probably in some sort of really, really nice uptrend, yeah? Oh yeah, all-time lows. Well, not all-time lows, but the lowest lows of the global financial crisis, right? And try to make sense of it. Oh. Well, that's like freaking perfect, man. Oh my god, man. I mean, that's like it, dude. That's like the trend you've been in, a historical uptrend since 2009, right? Since you bottomed out. And hitting the bottom here and rallying so well. Also, in-game, yeah, it's worth seeing. Yeah, man. It's definitely worth seeing. Hey! Oh my god! Oh my god! Somebody, please help me here. A little more trivia for you. What is this pattern right here? What is this pattern? Go. Who's going to get it first? Who will be king? Who will be the king or queen? Okay. We're going to wait for you on this one, okay? Where are the crypto wallet addresses to support peeps? What you talking about, Matthew Clifford, man? What's up, DH? What's up, legit? Yeah, dude. Yeah, Tesla going flames. We actually looked at it a minute ago. All right. But then we also looked at TGIF. So, what was the joke, Mike Stevens, man? I didn't catch your joke, did I? I'm waiting on answers here. I need answers. There we go. Thank you. Epic Eddie got it, dude. He got it. The 3 falling peaks. Beautiful, dude. All right, and how do we get the measure move of the 3 falling peaks? We take that, all right, so you're going to get 3 peaks, and you're normally getting 2 bottoms, okay? So on the last bottom, right, before the 3rd peak, that is where you draw that, what is this? Oh my god, dude. Yeah, don't be this guy, okay? Someone named the Value Analyst says, this is not for everyone, so do not try this at home. But I just sold mine only support and invest in the company that is changing our world for the better. Literally betting the house on Elon Musk and the 45,000 strong at Tesla Team Elon. Tesla, hashtag not selling a share before 2,500. Oh, that's cringe, man. Okay, Value Analyst, good luck. Good luck. Yeah, you buy when critical supports that have held up for over 2 years have been broken. That's not how it works. That's not how it works. Okay, I'm just saying. Yeah, there were like 3 different pairs.
Anyway, was a perfect harmonic a few days ago, but didn't play out. A good reminder that nothing is ever guaranteed.
X, A, B, C, D, right? But just kept going. Is that what you're saying? Was it similar to this chart? But either way, hey, we're getting valuable education out of this. From your high to low. From the breakout. That's how we get our measure move. Now, we didn't quite hit it, all right? We got very close. Very close. But why did we not hit it? Well, if you knew how to plot trends, you'd see we hit the bottom of a huge historical upsloping trend we've been in since the global financial crisis, right? So that is why Wilkowski talks about all the time. You won't hit measure moves, and there's reasons why. And the reasons why are normally overwhelming amounts of support or resistance, okay, on the way down or up. So anyway, bounced, yeah, and what's this? Okay, jeez, man. It's not over. I mean, like, yeah, dude, it's not over yet, but we're bullishly engulfing now. Okay, definitely bullishly engulfing here. But dude, you're still doing it, man. You're still doing really terrible stuff on Heineken. I don't care who you are. You're breaking out of an upsloping structure, right? You're also showing negative momentum on higher prices continuously. You're making lower levels of relative strength, okay? So, though it is at entry, I don't think this stop out has happened. I mean, close getting there, you might have gotten stopped out, right? But like, dude, this is, you're not much higher, are you? You're not too much higher anyway. So, I will be interested to see if this can keep going. All right. Yeah, Haya, Leia. Okay. Oh, Nelly. Oh my goodness. BNB to BTC. Dude, that's crazy though, man. Not selling Tesla till 2,500. Well, you won't be alive, but whatever, dude. So I don't know. We had like a channel, and then look how hard we dumped. We went exactly to the old neckline. The neckline that was once a critical support or resistance became support before we had a huge bounce. Bullish engulfing candle. Another bullish engulfing candle. Wow, nice rally on BNB to BTC, right? All the way back up to the down sloping resistance that we've not yet broken. Very cool to see that. But there you go. ADA did the same thing, right? Where it ran up, it hit its measured move, it hit the 618, and it dumped all the way back down to these same areas. And look how BNB recovered. Still doing fine, man. Look at this. You're still making higher lows than your previous lows. That's great, man. Very cool to see that. Bearish convergence, right? But I mean, you know, whatever, dude. It's gonna be very hard to break that, as you can clearly see. Downside resistance. You break that though, hey man, 100% retrace. You know, if you break this, your first target's like 48,192. Oh, excuse me. Whew. Good lord. Dude, screw, freaking screw the U.S. dollar pair on Digitech. Dude, you got to see this, and you want to see something insane, man. How it all played out, how perfect this was. You won't believe it. You won't believe it, dude.
I thank Value Analyst for his devotion. I've gotten all of your phone calls and outreaches. I am sorry to ignore all of you, but if I pick up the phone right now, it might be a margin call.
Margin call connect. Hello. Hello.
Is that a joint?
Practical dip.
Okay, thanks. Elon Musk, thanks for the 25, and thanks for admitting your problems here. This has got to be cathartic and therapeutic for you, right? I'm just saying, Elon. Thanks, man. Dude, you're tied neck and neck with, I think, Alice and Nathan now for session top or something. You're competing against yourself or your enemy, your great enemy. Who will win? Alice and Nathan or Elon Musk? But dude, this right here. Look here. Listen. 886 retrace. Look here. Listen. Dude, are you kidding? I mean, like, what do you even want? Who cares about the US dollar tether pair? Look at this. Look what it's done. Look how well it played out. Look how perfect and pinpoint accurate it was. It hit the 886 and pretty much nothing higher than the 886. Nothing. And has since hit all three targets like that. Rising wedge, bearish divergence on both multiple oscillators on a daily time scale. How many coinciding variables does it take for you to believe? None? Then get out of here. Don't watch this show anymore if you don't believe in coinciding variables. It's not for you. Because this is beautiful, dude. This makes me quite happy in pants. Oh, it feels so good! Good God. Sorry, man. If this doesn't get you amped and jacked up here, I don't know what will in charting. I don't know. Thanks again, Elon. Oh my God. Oh my God. Hink, man, don't give up, right? We're looking at, but I mean, I guess conditions are a little different, right? Is it time to go all in on DGTX? Yeah, Fearless One. Yeah, man, Kappa. Tesla's already back to 2016 levels. Semi-dot, my bad. Dude, what happened to chat? Did y'all die? Did chat just die? Straight up, I'm like looking up and like 10 comments ago where people still questioning about or guessing 3 falling peaks. What? I'm losing it, man. Thanks for the 300 people tuned in right now. Y'all are awesome. But Y'all are lurking, dude. Y'all all be lurking, okay?
Neo/BTC looking at a double bottom almost on the $4 Binance. Is it worth a quick scalp?
Well, I don't know about scalps, man. I don't really do the scalp thing. But I know there are other people that probably do that, right? So you're probably asking the wrong guy about the quick scalp. But we can definitely look at coinciding variables and things like that, right? Right. Hey, guess what next target is? It's not real. The next target's not real, okay? Because the next target here is minus 1272. That's literally how you get your target after you break all-time lows on this asset, whatever this is, okay? I'm just saying. Lag is crazy? Chat lag? Is the stream lagging? Everything seems fine on my side. It might be Streamlabs. If you're talking about this like up here, it might be Streamlabs widget bugging out or something. Okay. Crypto 420, you're watching me over Netflix, man. Thanks, man. It's an honor, dude. Super honor. Okay. Chat stream is stuck. That's so weird. I'm like looking at it and I see Crypto 420 is the last one that says something, and then it says the same thing here. What? Okay, I'm gonna refresh and see what's up. Am I crazy? The last thing that someone said is Rasmus right now, lurking loonies. Can we look at XVG? Right? Stream is fine, Kiki says. That's so weird. No, I think it's not broken. I think it's just more like people just not. I mean, just like chat is relatively calm right now. Okay. Anyway, so guess what, dude? You can't hit a 1272, Alice Nathan here. Sorry. Okay, that makes sense. I think like I saw that I think last night where it was just like, oh my bad, I punched my mic. My dude, I'm sorry. Rest in peace, eardrums, everyone's eardrums. Big bearish engulfing candle. Get destroyed, man. All right. Anyway, so the next one was supposed to be looked at is it fixed itself, man. Sounds like Elon needs to figure out how to fix itself, right? Tesla, yeah. Oh my God, iRobot, get iRectBot. All right, here's your iRobot. I mean, I think I partake in this somewhat by owning just a Roomba, but a huge gap down. Well, dude, I hate to be that guy, but if you look at a high on price, and then you look at the exact same high on price, dude, like Bitcoin, right? Just like Bitcoin on a daily time scale. I mean, almost identical. Okay, I'm double clicking. Hello? What's going on? I'm getting hacked. Breaker 19. Crap, dude. I have to save all my work and then I have to refresh because it's bugging out. Okay, let me F5 this. We working now? iRobot Connect? Yeah, iRobot Connect. Perfect. I'm free again. Yeah, I think I just got hacked by the Bogdanovs. Alright, so well, looks like there was a harmonic of some sort. XABCD, 1272 area.
Did iRobot Honors call for a gap fill?
Oh yeah. Oh my God. They call for a gap fill? Yeah, I guess so. But we have not hit that gap fill yet, right? 92.44 is the gap fill. So the 1272 double top. So think about it. You're at a 1272 fib extension with a double top pattern with what? Bearish divergence on the RSI. And guess what? Really? Believe it or not, bearish divergence, like you can see, this is where that top right there. The top here, you had this much positive momentum on the same top, lower levels. That's class B bearish divergence on both oscillators on daily time scale. So there you go, man. Coinciding variables out the yin yang. And then see ya. See ya, bye. So yeah, I don't know why we wouldn't hit 92.36 at some point. I mean, to fill this gap down here. But the impulse has just begun. The volume's extremely high, highest amount of volume we've seen since February of last year. So over 1 year, we haven't seen this much volume. All right. So you can't say that there were not warning signs here. It's been doing that lately, just like making me magically grab these trend lines. So you can just keep it simple here and like look at the measured move. But I'm sure that we've gone lower than the measured move. This is a pretty small pattern. Well, there you go, man. That's the measured move of the double top, man. So we've hit the target, you know, right around that 200-day moving average on iRobot. Okay, so I'm sure there's more stuff we could look at again, like XABCD, but it's all in hindsight now. It's all over. All right. So from your low point to high point, how far have we retraced? Low to high. Dang, dude. We almost retraced 62% of the way. Right? Yeah, dude, the 62% retrace, man. That's like pretty much where we were at $96, $97. No, it was $95.88 or something. Hey, Vincent B, what's up, dude? Welcome, man. Oh my God, the next person to sub to this channel, and we won't see it again for 60,000 more subs or something, but we will be getting the most unholy new sub in this channel's history. Whoever it is, who is next, man. Sorry. That's it, dude. Who will be next? Who will be the inverse Jesus man? No one. No one wants to. We'll just state this forever. I'm cool with that, as long as we don't have to deal with the 666. Oh God, man. Oh my God. The power of the Jesus man compels you. The power of the Jesus man compels you. We must go on the holy lines, man. We must go on the holy lines, man. Okay. We must turn back on the cross, man. We must exercise the evil. There it is. Hey, Tito, man. Morbito, man. Welcome, dude. And as soon as it came in, it was over. Thanks so much for making 666 not last long. Whew. Monkey ass. We're good now, man. Alright? We have exercised, we have repelled, and they have repented. That's it, dude. iRobot. Played out pattern. You're at a 62% retrace at the bottom of the golden zone. That's all there is, dude. Alright? You're oversold now. In one day, you went from 65 hot bullish on the RSI to 24. That's terrible, dude. What's up, GXRP? What are you doing, man? I already know you, man. I thought you were part of this community, dude. Are you not part of this community, man? What's up with that, dude? Hey, Omar Ben, man. Thanks for joining, dude. Welcome, man. Thanks for... Oh, now we're on a super sexual. Super sexual. That's it, dude. We did it, man. Beautiful. Sorry, Greg Morgan. Too late. I think everyone had the same idea, all right? Dude, is Alex called the Kang, man? God, man, Kang. What's up, man? He just says XRP. XRP bounce. Yeah, dude, it had a piercing line reversal pattern with bullish divergence on both oscillators, man. At very, very critical supports. But, you know, that happened, and I was seeing Avengers. And that's when it happened. I think. Ooh. Oh, my God, man. Is this crooked? I think we're good. think we're good, man. Oh, fireworks. My bad, dude. Crap. I didn't even notice, man. We've just been busy, dude. A lot of things we've been analyzing, right? Oh my god, dude. Well, well, well. Well, well, well. Neo to BTC. Yeah, dude. Oh, yeah. Oh, ho, ho, yeah. 1618886 on the daily. Showing a tidbit, just a small amount of bullish divergence. You're oversold as F. The most oversold you've been since when? December 5th, 2018. So not showing as much as I'd like to see. We're bearishly engulfing right now on the daily. That is very weak, man. Very weak. Come on, dude. Well, yeah, dudes. This is your bat, your bullish bat pattern at an entry, at a PCZ, a pattern completion zone. This is it. Trade setup, man. I gotta post this after the stream ends. Looky there, listen. Bullish divergence. Bullish divergence on both oscillators. Low on price, slightly lower low on price. Almost inexistent negative momentum. Let's go. Neo to BTC is actually set up for perfect prices. If you're, dude, why does it do that? It's been doing that now. It's just been grabbing the mouse. Okay, so no formal pattern, which sucks because you always want to have a formal pattern on these. You don't want straight down to the 886 1618 fib extension confluence zone. You normally want a falling wedge of some sort, but you don't have it. And maybe the pattern you're going to get, and the only pattern you're going to get is the double bottom at the PCZ. All right. This is it, man. This is Neo Connect. This is the low risk, high reward opportunity you've been salivating over for, since the sell-offs began. Sell-off here began April 5th. All month, man. All month we've been peasants on Neo. But maybe there is a glimmer of hope on a potential double bottom developing right now with the divergence at a confluence zone. Yeah, technical alone, of course. No, dude, don't even ask about fundamentals here. This is Neo TA. That's it. Let's go, baby. Let's go. There might be a chance for a move to the upside, but if that's the case, then we'll do it like this. Perfect. If that was the bottom, which we really don't know yet. We don't know. You would expect it almost with so much confluence. But if that was the case, targets from that bottom. Simple, man. 382, 2120. Crap, man. Sorry. Target 2, 618. 2355. And target 3, Vanilla to BTC. $26.22. There you go. These are the targets for if we were to bottom here. Here you could expect these prices on a trade. All right. Lift is effed. Yeah, man. What's up, Crypto Doggy? ONT is the new Neo. What does that even mean, dude? What is the new Neo, man? I don't think anyone's ever said that in the history of humanity until now. Christian, you're the first person, okay? Does anyone care? Anyone? No, I don't think so, man. I don't think anyone cares. Oh, my bad. Sure. Let me find it, Brad. Might be too far up now. Okay, got it. What? I can't. That's weird. You can't, if someone's a mod, you can't remove their post. You can only remove moderator, hide them, put them in timeout, report, or go to their channel. That's weird. Okay, so if you're a mod, don't be posting your like Bitcoin address and stuff, or any, I mean, links. Those are tough too. Okay, but yeah. Vicious Lovers asking about XRP. How do they manage their supply? The XRP people, answer this for us. Help us. Let us know. Real quick, what I'm going to do is just switch over on screens. I have to do something real quick. I got to make this real. Okay. So just bear with me while I have to publish something. But you're looking at the same chart that I'm looking at. Okay? Just sit back, relax, enjoy the sights and the sounds of technical analysis while I do something that must be done. Turn the music up a little bit, I guess. Whatever, man. Because I'm literally doing something that I have to do. Perfect. And one more. There you have it. Perfecto, man. Perfecto. Now let me publish this, and then we'll be on our way. Oh my gosh, you did. Okay, and now we can come back. Perfect. Okay, we're back, man. But hey, man, 2 upsloping converging trend lines. You hit 382 from that, well, I think it was a 50% high to low, 50% 382 area, and then sold off. Wow. Okay. Let's go to Aunt Jemima coin. I can do 60-minute for this is for MK. Can't do much else. All right, MK man. I don't know. We had the upsloping channel, then we broke it, sold off from the low to high. You know, around 55%, and we've just been upsloping slowly, but just taking from the anchor point 1 and 2 on the bottom and 3 on the top. You can see we're using the heart line as resistance constantly. Higher highs. Bullishly converging on the MACD. As you make a high, you make a higher high, higher levels, a positive momentum. So if you could break the heart line, we could see 45 bucks, but that's not going to be easy, okay, because you're at a critical resistance now. But if you can break that again, 45 bucks looks possible. We can go from the high to low now. See that you can tell that we've already retraced 50% of the way. So we're already in, you know, these are just areas where you start reversing your price action to the downside since the impulse was down, right? Impulse was down 50%. So 42.68 is the 618, and again 45.66 makes sense. The 786 and the upsloping resistance seems like a possibility. Okay, but we'll see, man. I don't know. I mean, like, the initial impulse was upsloping, which gives you a little bit more promise, right, about this asset compared to many others that open and then just dump. All right. I have to publish something real quick, all right? Crap, did I exit out of that? I did exit out of that. Mother trucker, dude. That's really annoying. I can't do it live then. Oh well. I'll just do it after stream. It's fine. Just go ahead to Bitcoin, man. Nice crazy bullish divergence down here on 60-minute. Yeah, this is expected. Low on price, lower low on price. Lower levels of negative momentum, almost inexistent negative momentum. And here you go, low on price, lower lows on price, higher levels of relative strength. This thing should pop to the upside. I mean, it is right now, but it might go higher. Okay, that's what I'm saying. On the 60 minute. It's at least going to test 51.62 at some point. Probably this weekend or in the next, few hours or something. Or tonight. Okay. Divergence is very strong on the 60 minute on Bitcoin. 4 hour. Nothing really. Okay, so we just got anchor point 1 and 2 and now 3 for our channel. False breakout of the rising wedge yielded you a whipsaw, 2-time whipsaw, man, where you doubled the measured move. So that's one way to look at it. And then we go to another chart. So it was a clean chart. I picked it randomly on Bittrex for the potential daily upsloping channel that we're in. This is the structure of our uptrend. Okay, we have 1 and 2 and 3 on the bottom, just 1 and 2 on the top, with tons of touches within both sides. You're good at JIT, man. You're good, man. No worries at all. All right, we live to fight another day. Hey, man, and it's like everyone has, it's really just not that important, man. Okay. But I'll tell you this, what I've learned from streaming is, do you realize that if you apologized, you did something bad and you apologize like that, man, that's such a big deal, because you realize, like, no one does that. No one, like, if they mess up or if they maybe do something that they don't think is right, or maybe what the community doesn't like, they won't apologize. They'll just become very resentful and vitriolic, and then they'll get caught up in their way of thinking and then just completely go on tilt and sometimes become a mega troll for like a couple days, and then they're gone after that forever. They sometimes become memes, right? But for you to apologize, you're in the extremely high minority when it comes to, if you thought you did something wrong, you apologize. And here, man, that's a big deal. So thanks to Jit, man, for that. What's up, Mobius dudes? What happened, Mobius dude? Too much emotion, especially around XRP. That alone makes it a risky investment. If you're emotional about anything, stay away. Stay far, far away. Yeah, like that dude, right? That dude who's long on Tesla till 2,500, right? Like betting his house on it. Oh, okay, I get it. You're talking to someone else, Mobius. My bad. No, Adrian. I think BNB will make it. I think Binance Coin has solidified, consolidated its dominance of this market being an exchange where many people around the world will buy and sell their assets, their crypto assets, and Binance will make money on it every single time, whether they buy or sell. And they're only going to get more and more tools for people to use, right? I mean, at some point, I'm sure Binance will figure out a way where you can short. They'll make it to where you can play options, crypto. Just give it time, man. Binance is pretty much the leader. So I don't think Binance is going anywhere soon. So their assets probably going to keep doing fine. Sorry, this music's probably pretty loud. My bad, dude. It's really loud. Crap, man. I cannot catch a break with these decibel levels. It's okay there. Wow. Yeah, I agree, Simi. Opportunities out there. XRP is just, I don't know, man. It's just like, whatever, dude. If it's not there, it's not there. Stewart says, I'm just sorry in advance. Okay, dude. Well, we'll write that one down. Okay. A short target? No. I don't have a short-term target. Is that what you mean, Pablo? Yeah, Papanaya. It's called being a man. Self-accountability. Personal responsibility. Yeah, dude. Interesting. Talent show says big ego and fast food equals slow digestion. Yeah, slow metabolism too. Oh, Via, we actually looked at BNB earlier today. Is it beer 30? I don't know, man. I only have 2 beers here, so I was thinking about, if I drink 2 beers, then it's like I'm pretty much legally not able to drive 0.08 or whatever, right? Let me turn off the, since we got rid of the 666, we're good now. Hey, Rocky Win, man, what's up, dude? Taking song requests again. I think media is like a $3 minimum, dude. Okay, just like a coin request is normally $3 minimum, and that's just for the sake of you know, it's like changing the dynamic of the stream. What's up, Tom Ash, man? Is there a cipher pattern on 88? The BTC? I don't know. I don't think so. Oh man, look at 88 of BTC, man, just can't hold up. Can't hold up. Like it's like it fell below the neckline. Like BNB, remember BNB bounced off the neckline and it's already run hardcore. This one's falling below the neckline. Very bad. So a cipher? Is there a cipher on 88? Are you in the Discord? If you're in the Discord, please post your chart in general chat so I can see what you're looking at or what you might see. Because for me, XAB, there's no C established, right? Well, there's no, or this is, you know, I don't understand. This is B, so we have to pivot and make C happen. I don't really see that yet. I don't, unless you're talking about, am I crazy here? Cipher. X, A, B, C, D. But that's a 62% retrace. It's not 78. So. Do you have 3 targets for Tether? Yeah, dude. Your butt, Greg. 1941. Hank says, TA, use TA. Do not rationalize why coin X should do well. There are no fundamental reasons for how the market acts, few exceptions, and I love X coin is precisely what we try to prevent, not just me, man. Nikki Faf says, hey Mitch, I saw your stream for the first time late last night. Really dig it, man. Sub. Thank you for the sub, but Nikki, and thank you for chiming in, letting me know that you're a new sub, dude. Feel free to talk in this chat all the time, man. This is a very, very good qualitative community that if you ever have questions about TA, there's a ton of people in here that will answer it as well as me. I engage with my audience and community a lot, dude. Like far more than other people. Like far more. Like we're a very interpersonal community. Most community, I don't even know. Are they real communities? Right?
Okay, don't care if you did it already. Do BNB BTC and BAT canned. If you want, look at why LTC is doing better than I expected. Okay.
Hank man, thanks for the sailboats. I'm still trying to wrap my head around the cipher here, the potential cipher. I don't want to scam. I want to see like what dude's talking about. Oh my god, dude. Nice one, Bradford, dude. Oh my god, Judge Allison, Nathan, deal with it. Hold on, I gotta take a picture of that real quick. Send it to somebody I know. Okay, sorry. No, I have not received any kind of chart on general yet about the cipher on AD to BTC. So, I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. There's nothing on BNB earlier today. Only yesterday's stream. What are you talking about? There's nothing on BNB earlier today. Yeah, we did BNB to BTC. We looked at the inverse head and shoulders and how we bounced off the old area that was resistance as support before bouncing again, right? Nothing on BNB. What? What's up, Theodore? No, I've got enough. One speculative, extremely speculative new market is enough for me for now. Okay, I'll let the chart guys kind of deal with the pot stocks, but no. I mean, we analyze them from time to time when people request them, but for me personally, no. Like it's a lot. Okay. You sent to my Discord. Where at did you post? You sent to my Discord. You sent to me, Tom, man. But maybe that was 8080 USDT, because 8080 USDT is what I did the lightning analysis on. Okay. Bullish 5.0 on 8080 BTC. I don't know, man. I think everyone's just grasping. Okay. I don't know, man. I think you went way too freaking high. Way too high, man. Because it'd be 0, X, A, B, C, and you're looking for D at 50%. Sorry, dude. 50%, that was not it. Because look where you are now. You're in the 618 now. Sorry, bullish 5.0 requires a 50% retrace, and you take your entry around the 50%, and then you go. But that didn't happen. Not here on this asset. Look at that. Looks terrible on the daily. Pathetic, man. Real bad. What just happened? Hey, Passive Base says, thanks for the $1.11 worth of bat. 3 bats, dude. Just found your channel today. Well, Hink already requested bat, so yeah, we're going to go to it right now. And I'm sorry, someone, post more stuff in Discord, because I can't see it. So you're at the bottom of the golden zone, man. You're at the last area. You're near oversold, but not yet. Okay, man, BAT. I don't know what anyone cares about BAT anymore. I mean, it's awesome, dude. It's freaking awesome. It's a practical project, and I think the market is interpreting it as a practical project where the masses could adopt crypto this way. Okay, BNB makes plenty of sense. BAT, a browser that's decentralized, perfect sense made. ADA, Ethereum, I don't know, man. Masses aren't going to Tron Connect. The masses aren't going to adopt Tron Connect, dude. It's impossible. The masses don't. It's not like, hi, I'm Joe Schmo. All I have to do is download an app, and I can utilize the capabilities of blockchain. What? Via an exchange by trading crypto or just using a browser? Easy. Most all these other projects, extremely complex, difficult, and probably impossible to get the market. There's no marketability involved with trying to get a massive amount of people to adopt whatever these platforms or decentralized applications are. Okay, BAT just happens to be one that is practical and conventional. Okay, inverse head and shoulders from the breakout, measure move. You hit it and almost hit the 1618 from your previous all-time high to the low of September 2018. Yeah, man, you hit the crazy fib extension zone and almost the top of it, dude. The golden mean ratio 94.82. We got as high as 93.83. Okay, so 100 sats off Kangage, the ultimate Kangage. But for now, the channel, hey, being respected. Still holding this channel. So at the heart line now, looks like maybe impulse up, down sloping consolidation. Looks like you could be setting up for higher prices, quite possibly. Did Tether take down Nvidia too? No, Nvidia just hit a golden zone, dude. Nvidia had a huge move down. It's run up. It's done exactly what we would like to see Activision Blizzard do. It ran up to hit the 382, between the 382 and the 50%, and has since sold off, right? It happens, man. But things that are bad for crypto always gonna be bad for Nvidia. But I think it's kind of like baked in now. Okay, the price, you went from $384 to $130-ish dollars. Yeah, that's definitely got crypto destruction baked in. So BNB, let me see what you're saying, dude. Or BAT, excuse me. Hink. Yeah, so I don't know, man. BAT, great stuff, dude. Okay. Hey, man. Cup with handle. Hey, man. Definitely, it doesn't matter. Cup with handle or bull pull bull flag. Let me see. Gotta hide these fibs. Keep them on the daily and weekly. Let me hide this too, right? Just delete that. That's the measured move. Oh yeah, the measured move of the. I'll make that on the daily too. Only visible. All right, so just to keep things like a little bit more simple here. All right, so from your high point, oh, this is old. High to low, 1618. Okay, that's all that happened from your high point to low point. You hear the golden mean ratio, the highest high, no candles closed above it. And since then, you've been selling off. So daily looks pretty good, but hey, lower high. Maybe it's double bottoming here. Hey, guess what? Bat to BTC on the 4-hour, dude. Hink. Double bottom with bullish divergence on the MACD. Not on the RSI. It's kind of convergence. It's kind of just double bottoming, mimicking the price action. So, of course, it could sell off more. We know that. But this right here, you're asking to break to the upside. Okay, you're reversing. Bullish engulfing candle helped, but you're below the moving averages. So if this was, in fact, hey, let's see here. Let's fib where it's relevant to us. It's not that those fibs are not relevant anymore. Let me show you. This is how we'll fib: high point or low point to high point. Okay, golden zone, right between 68.01 and 77.92. You got as low as 69.11. All right. So we are in the zone where you could reverse your price action anytime, and if you're showing a double bottom, there might be a chance. But of course, nothing is certain in these markets. Nothing is certain. I bet. See, it keeps doing that. Oh, that's a new trading view thing, dude. New trading view thing. Hey, we grab your trend line when it's not selected randomly for you, just because we think it's fun. New bug. Okay, measure move. Measure move of the double bottom. If you ever could break out, your measure move would put you at 95, 91 sats, all right? That's asking a lot, but dude, I'm just telling you, this is when you see this, and you're at the heart line of the channel, good things could happen, possibly, okay? It's low risk, high reward, despite anything you believe in the short term. And so guess what you do? If one's getting on a trade down here, they take a little profit at the neckline in case the trade failed, and they let the rest ride in case the windfall happens, all right? There you go, man. Bat to BTC. Interesting. Hey, bullish trend, bullish pattern. The trend is your friend. Higher chance of reliability in bullish markets with bullish patterns. All right. Are we cool, man? Are we cool on BAT to BTC? Anyone? Bueller? Thanks. Hey, and if you're enjoying the live stream, hit that like button, that bell, that sub. Thank y'all. Okay. Let's get a like spike going. See how far we can push this thing. All right, we got 325 people tuned in now. We'll see if we can get 200 freaking likes, man. Okay, that's like 70 more. I know it's a lot, but dude, we can do it, man. Unless it's not even updated yet. It might be broken, dude. I don't know. It's been broken past few days. No, it's still off. It's definitely 130 likes. Wow. Ken is a sleeping giant, man. Oh my God. Ken can, hey, if you tip $6.66, Ken Connect falls in the jar somehow. Iconic requested it, all right? As an actual emote for the jar. Future book, when will Bitcoin go to 15,000? We should be asking you, dude. Your name's Future Book, okay? So if the Future Book doesn't know when Bitcoin's going to 15K, why the heck would I know, dude? All right. Nighthink, man, he's balls deep in BAT. Well, there might be a good opportunity for at least a short-term play. Potentially, man. All right, y'all. Dang, dude, I've been live for an hour and a half, man. Wow. Time flies when you're doing charts, man, and having fun with it. No, yeah, weirdest early, man. I'm supposed to be going live in like less than 7 minutes. Nice Bobby, man. But just remember, Activision Blizzard, it is over $4 away from that lower risk entry, right, Bobby? So you buying in now on the breakout, you may not be yielding profit immediately. It could sell off and it could also fail. And that's why you always want the lowest risk areas just in case of that. And remember, there's earnings coming out early May. So that is also a variable you should at least be noting and be aware of for ATVI. I did XRP, yeah.
Thanks for the bat. Agree. I'm in balls deep. BNB is long term for me. Playing BTC is primary store and BNB is secondary. Keep it up.
Thanks, Eggman, for the 456. What does the 456 mean, dude? Okay. I guess you just didn't want, is that a joint, right? Or something. I just don't know, man. What do I think of ADA? Hey, I did a video on ADA yesterday, Michael Drost, man. ADA to USDT, so check it out, man. But the US dollar tether pair, it's like falling wedge, bullish divergence, and still seems safe for an entry on that one, okay? So what is this? Adrian A says, okay, I won the XRP bet. 589 chat mentions of XRP. Everyone please donate 20 bucks. What? Adrian, I don't think that's going to happen, but thanks for the advocacy, man. So 589 mentions of XRP in chat today. Y'all hear that? Wow, what a count. What a freaking count. Man, this is just so close, dude. Like, I just want to publish this. Like, need to. Crap, man. I mean, this weekend could happen where we run to the upside. 8,300 is that neckline. Okay, we'll come back to it. All right, let's go back to Bitcoin. Interesting. Hey, Jeremy S., if you're in here, man, think about like when you hit the top and you're anchoring from the top, where did the top go? What's the lowest low of that? Since it topped on Ethereum, look for an anchor point to be the lowest low since that top, right? And that means you're at the very bottom of the channel, right? That's normally the way I like doing those channels, right? I don't like looking left and seeing other things. And that's why I was like last night, I was like, I don't know, man, because you've got right from where we peaked from the from the impulse, we finally peaked out and then sold off, and that's why I liked this and not this. This didn't make any sense because it's part of the impulse up still. So from the highest high, from that height to the sell-off, that's where I liked anchoring. Okay, and if you do that, you're still good. But now that we have more data, we can just adjust with this new wick. All right. Whoa. Dude, what? That's crazy, man. It doesn't let me control Z. Dude, what is going on? TradingView, something's going on with TradingView again, man. Like, okay, it's having issues. Anyone having issues like that where you just randomly grab your patterns and trend lines and channels? It just started like yesterday. What's up, Resi? What's up, Vet Bro? Barnard, we already went down. We already sold off. We lost like $500 of value. From the highest high of the move up, we've seen, where it's, we're down like $500. But if we were to make major retraces, and I'm talking if we were to fall out of this, big move down to like 42 to 4,600 seems likely. And then you got fib extensions here that would protect you too. If you went from your low point to high point, you'd be looking for 47.69, 46.71, 45.30, the 1618. There you go. All right. You went to 4,300 yesterday, Pablo. That sounds insane, man. Sounds crazy. Kiki, I don't know, man. Maybe this was it. Dude, just no idea. Okay. Holiday in Europe. Where'd I go? What are you talking about, Martin? Where'd I go? I'm right here, dude. Where are you, dude? Golden Cross, man, is just a lagging indicator, man. It's really not that important. It's not that crazy, but it is a prerequisite to a long sustained uptrend. But again, when it crosses over, it's not like, oh my god, it's all over now, dude, we're gonna be kings. It's lagging, so like you can sell off, you can get a death cross, golden cross again. That's what we did in 2015. What? I don't even see that, dude. I don't see this at all, man. Bradford? Where is that? I don't see it. I'm scrolling up and I still see nothing, Brad. Robert Kirk, man, what's going on, dude? Dude, yeah, look, I don't know what you're talking about. I know we talked yesterday, I think. I even addressed your name. Are you kidding? Support the channel, support the videos, give tips. New people come in, has more respect, by the way. Robert Kirk, man, are you talking to me, man? I didn't even see what you said before, man. I'm looking through it, but remember, Robert, dude, they're like, you know, there's been a huge influx of people that have come into this channel and stream. You realize I've gained 2,000 subs in 1 month, man. Like, it is harder to manage chat than it's ever been in my entire streaming tenure, okay? So if you think I'm ignoring you, that couldn't be further from the truth, man. All right. So I do apologize if you think that. I hate that because I don't feel that way at all. I'm not ignoring you. It's just there's a lot of chat, man. There's tons of it. And I'm scrolling up. I don't even see the last thing you said, Robert. Okay, I see cowards. I hope you weren't talking to me there. I don't know me not being able to see chat because there's so much of it. And do you notice the TTS? You see the jar? It's almost full, man. When TTS goes off, man, it's very difficult to engage. It makes it even more difficult to engage with chat. All right. But I don't see anything above where you said coward. I'm scrolling up and see nothing. Still seeing. Oh, there we go. Click City. I see Click City. No worries after that. I didn't see any particular question asked. Okay. No, Matt, I'm just asking questions, man, Robert, okay? Again, I apologize if you think that, okay? Yes, Bitcoin did have a golden cross, okay? You know what, let's go to Bitstamp. See, Bitstamp, we have the channel before we adjusted yesterday, right? And it's like we broke it, back testing it, right? But again, I don't think that's right. I think we have to make adjustments when we get new piece of data. I think the way to look at it, what the? Okay, dude, there's something wrong with TradingView. There's something wrong with TradingView. I don't know what it is, man. Okay, Control Z doesn't work. I can't delete things. It just randomly bugging out. Someone needs to tell me that they're having issues with TradingView too. Remember like last week or 2 weeks ago when it was like you try to scroll out and this big random gray bar would show up? Like, TradingView's been having some issues. JT4 for Discord if you're in here. It's not showing you anything on BNB yet because like it's like a request show. So like in the stream, people will request assets and then we will analyze them. Okay. Why forget it? Dude, Robert, man, I hope you're not talking to me, because, like, I acknowledge you all the time. But it's just like, what do you want from me, man? You're a wrench, too, man. I don't understand. Does it work now? Does this thing work now? Oh my god, it works now. Yes, thank you. Jeez, dude. Thanks, TradingView. There you have it. On this one, really, though, it's not, like, perfect. On this one, you actually didn't touch the bottom. On this one, it's like you did this. This seems to, yeah, this makes the most sense. You ran up, you made your peak, and then you sold off, and that was it, right? I don't know, man. I know I didn't really do anything wrong. Dude, if people can't empathize that my channel's growing and it's getting more and more difficult to interact with people interpersonally because there's so much chat and there's so many people, it's like, well, man, I can't regress. I know people want me to probably not, you know, gain subs, but sorry, dude. It's like, it's not happening. Perfect, dude. Thanks for the 325 people here. Hey, let's get a like spike going. Guys, you know why, right? There's one person out there that has 50 different accounts that are disliking this video. Let's combat that person and beat them because they're losers, all right? Hank, man, yeah? You're looking at the 3-day chart, okay. We'll see how that looks on the daily chart. So you're just taking... We'll see your top anchor point. I guess now it makes sense. Where you're taking just this random here, right? Let me just go to... well, we can use this one, whatever. Gosh dang it, hold on. See, in this one, look at this on the daily, man. This was holding up pretty friggin' well on Gemini, man. But this was Hink, what Hink was doing. Yeah, right here. The C, you hit the C of the... This one's off a little bit for me. It's not touching like
Admit
yours.
it, you have 6.666 subs. Keep the cool and don't sweat the idiots.
Is that a join?
Thanks for the 666 Kin Connect in the jar. Oh my god, man. Kin Connect. Thanks, Robert, man. Well, then don't leave, man. Why would you leave ever? If you love my channel, don't leave. That's it. Pretty easy. So, Hink, man, interesting. I'm just looking at a different chart and just using this like this. The top points are good. I like the heart line a lot. I just don't like this bottom part, how yours lines up so much better on Coinbase and on Gemini. This looks like crap. Let me go to my Coinbase chart and try to mimic what you're doing on the other one, because this other one never saves. So I can just watch, I can clean it up completely. Okay, so here we go. Going to the big screen. So this is what Hink is doing, okay, dude? I do like that. See, it still doesn't line up. Hey, Tom Ash, man. Thanks for the $6.45 super chat, dude. Says Mitch, thanks for the fifth video you've done. Could you do one on cipher patterns? Oh, see, the thing is, Tom, man, I actually have cipher pattern education. I've actually done it in a live stream before, but so it's, you know, when I do that, what we do is we clip those videos, like the education segments I do that are random on my live streams. We cut them down to just that, and then we post it on the Patreon feed. So if you're a patron, you have all the education I do on my live stream, any of it. It gets like pretty much hand delivered to you with no 2-hour, 5-hour live streams. Okay, so that is an amenity I offer in the Patreon. So we do that. But yeah, we can do cipher patterns. I mean, I think I did a bullish and bearish cipher pattern video. So we talk about targets, how to get targets, how to chart it, the, criteria involved with what it takes to have an actual cipher. So I'm actually, let me know if that helps at all. I know probably not, you say, Mitch, thanks for the fib video. So yeah, fib's big deal, man. But this is weird, dude. You did the 3-day. He is the 3-day chart, okay? So your 3-day chart still seems a little weird. Or they don't really line up perfectly like yours. Yours are like perfect. Dude, I'm losing my mind. I don't know, dude. Alright, so Hink's thought maybe is here. But I don't know, man. What about like that? What's wrong with that? That makes more sense because it's like starting from like a peak, right? Instead of this random. That's perfect. And yours is, that's so weird because like when I do it like this, it's like amazing. It's freaking beautiful, dude. Okay. So that's the case, man. If we did sell and fell below the heart line, 5,000, we could make ourselves go all the way down to 50 or 45, 60, okay, area. Hink, man. Thanks again, dude. It's nice. This upsloping consolidation, bearish divergence on the RSI seems kind of likely that a sell-off could occur where we at least test the 20-day or the 50-day moving average at 45.82. I don't know why we wouldn't soon. Okay, just this is the price action you get when you get a little tired, okay? Of course, we could run back up one more time, but eventually I think that could give us triple RSI bearish divergence then. Okay, so nice one, Hink, man. Good look. I should make a rule that if I am not amperstamped at Mitch Ray, I thought that amperstamped and ampersand are those different, right? That's one with like the and at. And the question that not be answered should make it look easier when you look at chat. I don't know, man. It's tough because you get that anyway, right? Matthew, I'm glad you enjoyed it, dude. Hey, what's up, Melissa? And Stokes Curry, the crypto nurse, the Jesus lady. Welcome. Sure thing, Tom Ash, man. Yeah, chart fibs like reading a book. Yeah, in the English language. Not if you read it in, I think, Korean, though it's right to left, or Chinese, it's right to left. So it has to be read like an English book. Okay. So yours lines up like that, but when I use this, mine lines up perfectly on the top, and it makes more sense for an anchor point because I get 1, 2, 3 here, and 4 and 5 and 6 touches, where you're only getting 2 touches really, right? I get 6, you get 2 on your top side, right? Am I crazy? Like you're always looking for those anchor points to be peaks of some sort. Like more major peaks. Dang, dude. Less than 25 likes away from 200 likes. We can do this, man. We can do this. We can defeat the dislike troll. Okay. Bit talk on the XRP stuff, y'all. All right. Anyway, so great look right there, Hink, man. I just don't know, man. Like, I get it. If we don't ever hit it, that's fine. But man, it's just so weird. Why could we not hit 5784, 5800 first? You know, and then the square up level is up at like 6300 and change. All right. So, yeah, man. And again, high to low, slightly exceeded the 618, but not before selling off. Okay. Golden pocket zone. No idea, Brooklino, man. It's all speculative. When there's speculation involved, it's just, what humans try to do is when they don't understand something, they try to make sense of it, right? That's just like our natural instinct, I guess, right? That's our nature. And most of the time, the highest time, majority of the time, we're wrong when we try to make sense of something we don't understand, right? Okay. Looks beautiful though, Inkman on the 4 hour too. Wow. But the equidistant channel looks pretty good too. So this is between the 100% and 50%, right? Well, guess what? The equidistant channel, anchor point, 1 and 2 on the bottom, 1 on the top. You're between the 75 and heartline, 75% heartline. So it just includes all the chop. So this looks wonderful though, dude. Okay. Very good chart. Gemini. Okay, make sure note that. That's where I have this one, dude. It's like there's just so many ideas. You just want to keep them, so you have to just use different exchanges. I know you can do profiles and stuff like that. That's really annoying, dude. Changing that. Okay. Jeez, man. Dislike troll's still in here, man. Still hitting those dislikes, dude. It's crazy. It's like he keeps building the same amount. Like he started with like 25, 26, and it seems like he's worked his way up over the course of this past month and a half to 60 freaking accounts, man. Psycho, dude. He's literally watching this show too. Just changing out his accounts, man. I'm just like, okay, dude. Like, good for you, dude. Yeah, but it's alright, man. Like your anchor point, my anchor point. It could be argued the heart line was touched here. Look, heart line support for me is here. Right, like I'm getting heart line support and heart line support, right? We're both getting heart line support here. Though, man, it's I don't know. I just like using the top. So agree to disagree on this one. Because I got more heartline support here. Corrected, Kappa. Sorry. Okay, so after hitting the second target of the bearish crab, we are bouncing. Go figure. Had a nice little bullish harami. But not making higher highs at all, are we? Nope. We're not, man. Okay? And this is as simple as I can make it. I know that it might seem like there's a lot of stuff going on. There's not, man. Not really. Not really at all. So third target would put you at 139. But I don't know if we'll get there, right? It's all depending on Bitcoin. Bitcoin right now in the 4 hours is trying to bullishly engulf. Okay? Remember, 60-minute crazy bullish divergence on Bitcoin. I think, right? Or it might be Ripple. Hink, that's actually not true anymore, dude. Not true. They actually changed that.
Is that a joint?
I learned that
There's
recently.
only one way to destroy the dislike troll. You must remove the thumbs, but if you don't get the right area, 50 more thumbs will sprout. Kappa.
Oh, God, man. Oh, God. Look, thanks for the 200 likes, man. All of y'all are incredible. Frank, man, thanks for the 420. I'm trying to make sense of that. But if you don't get the right area, 50 more. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. I declare thumbless war, dude. Okay. Thanks, Frank, man. Much love. No, that's actually not true anymore, y'all. That's not true. They changed that. But yeah, dude, the dislikes, we'll say the dislikes are good for the stream. All right. It doesn't really matter. I can just turn off the like-dislike ratio after the stream ends and make it useless for him. But number one, we get a lot of likes. I'm not going to do that. Everyone in here knows. Everyone in here knows I produce quality content and try to help people. can I do right in this world? Okay, and the guy is doing wrong in this world. He's my opponent. And he's beta. He's super beta. If I got haters, I know I'm doing something right. Oh yeah, absolutely, dude. Definitely doing something right. What's up with DLive? No, I wouldn't say it's better to use. Nah, it's just a new platform that they paid PewDiePie, I don't even know, an absorbent amount of money to just stream on it. Because most of his money doesn't come from streaming anyway. All his money comes from YouTube videos and merchandise and stuff. So it's you know, he streams on DLive, and now other people are streaming on it, and it's like they use Lino. You know, it's like bits, but instead of taking 30%, they take 10%, which is good. But again, it's hard to organically grow because the platform, there's just not like many people using it. And so it's like requiring a bunch of content creators to bring their following over to make them use it. So like, it's not even about that. I was cool using it, but I can't because of Restream being broken right now. Okay. Thanks, Dirty Fergie. Hey, Julia. How you doing, Julia? Oh, my God. Better late than never, right? What's up, Mr. Weed? Robot taxis, man. Yeah, we'll see, dude. You know, I wouldn't be too optimistic on Tesla. You know, when you miss your earning estimates by 366%, that's pretty miserable, okay, dude? If I make, yeah, just making sure this is quality content, man. Oh, okay. Kiki, it's possible. You know, we could have broken out. But the thing is, on breakouts like that, when you break out like that and you back test and you're showing bearish divergence, you fall back in. That's not good, right? Real bad. Maybe so, home value glass. But the good news is we don't have youngins in here, okay? For the most part, okay? That's right, Julia. Exactly. It's okay, though. No amount of dislikes will make him better than me at what I do, okay? So I sleep well with that. Perfect, dude. Sorry, I'm adjusting this. You have to do that sometimes. Screen capture. Perfect. You're snoozing again. It's okay. I started the stream early. That Moon Boy wanted to eviscerate Tesla. I'm like, all right, we'll eviscerate it together. Gross. Anything we can do here? Interesting. Okay. I don't know why you want to look at this, but okay. Make adjustments, CVSI. Alright, we decided I had to adjust the trend line, man. It's like you'd broken out. We just keep going upsloping like this, and you just go like 1 and like 2 and 3 and 4. Hitting the 25 hardline resistance. Pretty nice. Hey, Talent Show, man. Thanks for the Litecoin contribution, man. The $6.03 of Litecoin. Please check Litecoin, the US dollar. F the haters. F off haters. Thanks, man. Really appreciate that. We'll do it, dude. We'll do it, man. Giant's milk. All right, man. Okay, we're going to look at it. So CVSI, man, I don't know. You're just still up sloping, man. Jonathan Gang, man.
Happy Friday, man.
I don't think
Thanks
so.
for all the education. Have you charted Pier 1 imports per?
I don't believe so, dude. Thanks for the, well...
Is that a joint?
$4.25 of Batcoin, another cryptocurrency contribution. Holy crap. I was thinking about creating a new variation, alert box variation for crypto tips. I'm thinking about the Sword of 1,000 S coins being it. What do y'all think? I think it's a pretty good idea. Dang, dude. We'll get him, dude. We'll get him, man. So, CVSI. All right. It seems like your channel is pretty nice. Yeah, medical marijuana, of course. So, upsloping, right? Still upsloping. In terms of patterns, I mean, like if you had, it looks like to me in the short term, good news, right? Impulse up, in an uptrend. It looks like a pennant or a flag of some sort, right? Yeah, impulse up, down sloping, consolidation. Yeah, you break out, could be very nice. Where are we at here? Okay. Very nice. Bull flag, if it plays. Then we could see ourselves back up. You probably want to, the 25% trend line around like $7.20 could be where we run to. Measure move is played out perfectly, dude. All right. CVSI might be setting up for higher prices in the shorter term. All right, 4-hour time scale. Yeah. Pot connect. Dang, dude. Okay. Litecoin, baby. Okay. 1618. Upsloping support. We had an upsloping support, then we legged up, right? Our angle of ascent changed. And we said, all right, XABCD, Gartley. Yeah, Gartley. And look, the 1618 fib extension is literally right here. If we could hold this, we could see targets $85, $88. Those are the two targets for the falling wedge for the potential harmonic, right? Not really concerned so much about the harmonic as I am the falling wedge. I like the falling wedge, and I like the fact that we're at a 1618 fib extension from B to C. I like that we're near a 78.6% retrace from X to A. Okay, confluent zone, PCZ. All right, bullish divergence on both oscillators. Litecoin. Let's go. Let's freaking go, baby. Bitcoin craps out, not gonna work. But everything looks good here. But remember, Bitcoin is in the recipe too. You got to throw Bitcoin in there. It's always a variable. All right. There you go. Wow. I'm digging these. So we got 3 potential trade setups. I got some work to do after stream, okay? Crap, man. I don't want to miss them. Okay. Oh my God. Pier 1 imports connect. Seriously. Brick and mortar. It's got all the makings of a brick and mortar on the chart. Jeez. Miserable asset. Miserable, dude. Weekly. All right, back down to prices we haven't seen since the global financial crisis. First it was banks and real estate, and now it's brick and mortars. The changing of the seasons, because online ordering and stuff, so easy. Okay, dude. Back to 1975 prices, man. That's what we've hit. Do you understand? Extremely low prices now. That could just be we don't know if we're going extinct here. We don't know. What is it, man? What's the problem on Pier 1? Dude, it's so bad. Like, how do you even plot it? It was like this, I think. Double bottom, you broke out, false breakout, sold off again, right? It's like you had a double bottom. There was nice bullish divergence on the double bottom. Really, really nice bullish divergence on the bottom. And then you ran up, did not make a measure move. Your trend is your friend. So your pattern that was bullish was not near as reliable because the trend's bearish, right? Yeah, man, exactly. But it's still respected the TA enough to bounce, at least up some. So right now, do we see any? I mean, we actually haven't even hit this support yet. So maybe at 8.78 cents, something might happen. But I mean, maybe a double bottom is developing again or something. Bullishly engulfing today or on the weekly. Yeah, we closed the week with a bullish engulfing on a higher low. I don't know, man. You're below the 20 moving average. It's very bad. Go to the daily. 88.6% retrace for the bounce. You had bullish divergence on the MACD. Right, low, lower, low. Okay, you got your pop to the upside because of it. You had bearish convergence on the RSI. So, okay, if that's the case, okay. High to low. All right, we hit the 23% retrace today. So that signifies that this is probably the bottom. So a common retrace zone in the shorter term for Pier 1 imports connect. It's between 8.440 cents. No, I'm sorry, 84 cents, excuse me. 84 cents and $1.11, okay? That's where we could retrace to before selling off again and making lower highs. Okay? That's Pier 1. Could be the case, man. But again, we accumulated in the distribution area. But the fact is we're making higher highs than our previous highs. So yeah, that's nice. It's real nice. But again, 5,800 to 6,000, that's all that matters. Okay. None of this, I don't think none of this matters. None of this, all this is just we had a big correction from the November 7th dump. That's all I think of this rally so far for Bitcoin until we break 5,800 to 6,000. If we break 5,800 to 6,000, then we'll be talking about something completely, entirely different. That's it. Okay, so Pier 1 imports, Litecoin, so many others we've looked at today. Yeah, I mean, what's up, Crypto Bonner? Thanks for the 300 people tuned in right now. Again, if you're enjoying the live stream, that like button, that bell, that sub. See how many likes we can get. We've looked at 15 plus assets today in this stream. That's been going for 2 hours and 12 minutes. I'm officially overtime. All right, overtime, man. Dang it, dude. What is it doing? Keep scrolling down. It's trolling me, dude. My mouse is trolling me, dude. Okay, Pier 1 connect. Okay, and so a way to look at it, Hank, man, just another perspective is like using, you know, as soon as we created a bottom and ran up, right, one thing, and I get it, man, it's probably not it. It's probably like this. This is probably the top, but it's okay. Equidistant channels, they all make sense, right? So one that's on the bottom like you, and then one up here with a candle close, and you can see the beautiful amount of touches I get on everywhere, right? 75, 25, heart line, 25, then the heart line again. I think this is just amazing, okay? And it lets us know if we do break to the upside again, we've got some area where we could run to. 6,000, 6,100 is the top of the channel, which makes all the sense in the world, right? JoJ, what? Just for me? What are you talking about, dude? What's up, Jalal, man? How you doing, man? Thanks, Bubs T. Appreciate it. Sky falling? No, sky's not falling. But we could ask questions, dude. You got questions? I got questions, too.
Might as well ask, why is the tree good? Why is the sunset good? Why are boobs good?
I am not amused.
Okay. It's been a fantastic stream, really. I mean, again, thanks for all y'all just showing up. Man, we were so close to Viking Hat. Dang, dude. Very good stream. Very humbled. Okay, man. Oh, ask for like, okay, thanks, Joe AJ, man. Appreciate you, dude. Kangage. So, let's do a rundown. Frank, man. Tom Ash, Hink, dude. Thank you, man, for all those contributions. Tom Ash, Rocky Wynn, Gap Filler, Robert Kirk, man. Yeah, Robert Kirk, dude. Neo to BTC. Seriously, man. Not even talking about a scalp. That's like swing trade stuff, dude. Elon Musk, man. Adrian A. Thank you, dude, for the super chat. Elon Musk again. Frontline Patriot. Pop Quiz. Mitch Futter. Negative Nathan. Negative Nancy. Baton Banker. Allison Nathan. Matthew Chory. Then Jonathan Kang. Passive Base. Francisco. And Talent Show. Thank y'all for the contribution, the cryptocurrency contributions. Really, really appreciate that. All right. But don't fret. Don't fret, chat, all right? You like those lines? Yeah, dude. Yeah, man. Line connect. Too many lines. Too many lines. Cabo. So I'll be back tonight. Okay. Y'all, thank you again for tuning in. And hit that sub button, that like button, that bell on the way out. We'll be back tonight at 11 p.m. Eastern. Bring your beer or your marijuanas. Whatever. We're going to have a good time. We're going to play a drinking game. All right? So be prepared. Till next time, respect the TA.
That boy is good.
Adios, turd nuggets.